Here's how to prep a floor and coat with Simix Ceramic Floor Coating using the IPC Eagle 600 RPM auto scrubber. First, you need to strip the floor thoroughly. This is the last time you will ever strip. Please follow the instructions on simixtraining.com. Make sure you get all the old coating off. Next, you're going to polish. Switch to clean 200 discs on your auto scrubber. You're going to put 4 of these on each of the pads. Put 1 small scoop of Simix Degreaser powder per gallon into the auto scrubber. Go over the floor with full pressure and full water at medium speed. Make at least 4 passes. Make sure you go over the same area in the reverse direction at least twice. Pick up on the last pass. Mix 1 small scoop of Simix Kitchen Degreaser per 5 gallons of water in auto scrubber. Put 800 Diamond Burnishing Pad on your auto scrubber. Scrub the floors at high water, high pressure, and medium speed with the gate up. Make at least 4 passes until the floor is smooth. Make sure you go over the same area in the reverse direction at least twice. Make 1 last pass with the gate down and pick up residue. Put a 3000 grit Diamond Burnishing Pad on your auto scrubber. Make at least 4 more passes or until the floor is smooth. Make sure you go over the same area in the reverse direction at least twice. Scrub the floors at high water, high pressure, and medium speed with the gate up. Make 1 final pass with the gate down and pick up residue. Do a final rinse with a red pad. Make 2 passes. Next, check your work. If it all looks good, go over the floors with a clean, damp mop. Let floors dry. Make absolutely sure there is no floor finish residue. Now it's time to coat. First, clean your flat applicator mop. Remember that new mop heads are not clean. They are treated with chemicals that must be rinsed off in a clean mop bucket with hot water and a small scoop of Simix. Shake the bottle of Simix Ceramic Floor Coating. Mix 4 parts water to 1 part coating in a pump-up sprayer. Spray thin layer of coating on floor while a second person spreads the coating with the mop. Allow the floors to visibly dry before applying the next coat. While the coat is drying, rinse the microfiber mop heads in warm, clean water. Apply 3 more coats using the same method. The final step is to polish. Wait 20 minutes after the last coat thoroughly dries. Then polish with a 3000 grit diamond pad on a propane burnisher.